talking about war, hindi natin pababayaan ang internal security. So in other words, lahat tayo will be involved. We are prepared for anything.
In cases of national emergency, more or less yung PNP and PCG will be placed under AFP command. Ano yung mga national emergencies na pinag-iisipan ng mga destabilization attempts ba o mga whatever, di ba? War?
In case of, we're talking about war, no? For example, an external aggression into our country that requires our nation to react collectively. So in other words, lahat tayo will be involved. And so all of these major uniformed services will be under the command of the Chief of Staff. So the Chief of Staff will be wearing two hats in case of a national emergency like an aggression into our country. He will be the Chief of Staff of the Armed Forces of the Philippines, and he will be the overall commander of the uniformed services. Of course, the President will be the overall commander as Commander-in-Chief. Siya pa rin yung pinaka-commander natin.
Sir, war lang talaga, hindi yung mga...
War lang talaga. Yung mga D-stab, hindi pa rin, no? But we are prepared for anything.
Mentioning kanina, it's all about the external. How about po yung internal security threats? And meron po ba tayong assessment kung ano na yung situation natin, update sa internal security threats?
So, while we are preparing for territorial defense or external defense, hindi natin pababayaan ang internal security. We will still continue to conduct our focused military operations, our intelligence operations, and we reminded our troops nationwide about the urgency of attaining total victory against the communist terrorist groups and against the local terrorist groups. Binigyan po tayo ng ating Pangulo, our Commander-in-Chief, President Ferdinand Bongbong Romualdez Marcos Jr., nang hanggang sa dulo nitong taon na ito, the end of 2023, to finally defeat the communist terrorist group and the local terrorist group. And we have been gaining a lot of ground in this aspect. We are confident dito sa leadership ng Armed Forces of the Philippines na matatapos natin ang problema ng insurgency against the communist terrorists, pati na rin yung problema natin on terrorism against the local terrorist groups. No? But while we are looking externally, katulad ng nabanggit ko nga dun sa territorial defense, part of territorial defense is also looking inward. No? Hindi natin pababayaan yung ating security environment dito sa loob ng ating bansa. At ang isang binabantayan natin ay ang posible na mga infiltration ng ating mga institutions. Kaya't ang utos natin sa lahat ng ating mga units, even if the units are involved with territorial defense, bantayan natin ang ating bakuran. Hindi lamang tayo nakatingin sa labas ng ating bakuran, pero yung sarili nating bakuran ay dapat nating pantayan.